Here's a 2016 INFINITI Q50. The sleekly designed Q50 sedan definitely offers luxurious comfort and decisive acceleration. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, power sliding and tilting sunroof, twin-turbo V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, leather steering wheel, rear-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and power heated mirrors. For the distinctive life, you need a distinctive vehicle. Make it an Infiniti. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call, click, or stop into Napleton'S Volkswagen of Orlando today. We're conveniently located at 12700 East Colonial Drive in sunny Orlando. We look forward to serving you.